Okay, so coming back to the next point, that is cost. So you can see that as hardware industry has shown its skills and huge manufacturing has lowered down the price of computer and electronic hardware, but the cost of software remains high if proper process is not adopted. So what it means exactly? It means that the demand, okay, the demand of hardware and computer electronics, or you can say computer and electronic hardware, keeps on changing, right? But the cost of software always remains high, right? Okay, if proper process is not adapted. So when we want to develop a software, these are the three factors, okay, which are needed exactly, because we need a good software development process in case of a large software systems. Okay, when we find that there is a scalability factor, okay, in terms of cost, right? And two more factors, that is the dynamic nature, okay, and quality management. We need to develop a software by applying some rules and methodologies, because we can see that the growing and adapting nature of software usually depends upon the environment in which user works. What it means, if the nature of a software, okay, if the nature of your software is always changing, new enhancement need to be done in the existing one. What it means, the user requirements always keeps on changing. You can see here the requirements. If the nature of the software is always changing, new enhancements are needed. This is where software engineering plays a good role. What it means, okay, what does it means? Dynamic nature. Our softwares are always having a dynamic nature, means the requirements always keeps on changing. Hence, okay, the software engineering plays very vital role to acquire these changing requirements. Okay, yes. And the last factor where we need SC is quality management. What is this quality management? Better process of software development provides better and quality software. So what do you mean by a quality software now? Okay, so quality software is nothing but what? The software which is having all the good characteristics. The software which is having all the good characteristics, okay, such as reliability, flexibility, okay, then efficient, working, cost wise, economical, all these things comes under quality, right? So why do we need software engineering? Because these are the needs of our society. Our society needs a dynamic nature softwares. Our society needs a good quality softwares, right? And whenever there are large softwares, right, we need a proper procedural approach of developing the softwares, right? So scalability factor, cost factor, right? So these are some of the characteristics of a good software, right? So operational is nothing but about working characteristics of a software, right? These are called as working characteristics of a software. Okay, so operational characteristics is all about the working of your system, right? So which can be measured in terms of budget, usability, efficiency, correctness, functionality, dependability, security and safety of your system, right? So all these are the operational characteristics of your system, right? So next, coming to transactional characteristics. Okay, so when the software is moved from one platform to another platform, if you want to transfer your software from one platform to another platform, that feature is called as transitional feature of your software, right? So what are the features? Portability, nothing but movability, interoperability, how does your software operate on different platforms, reusability, whether you can use this software for making development of a new system, or whether you can use some components from that old software to develop a new software, that is called as reusability, right? And adaptability, how much your software is adaptive to the new platform, right? So all these are called as what? Transactional characteristics of a software, right? Same way, maintenance. So it is all about how well a software has the capability to maintain itself in the ever changing environment, right? So how well your software retains in case there is any problem, or how well your software works, or how long your software works, right? So that is all about maintenance. So modularity, maintainability, scalability and flexibility, right? So in short, okay, so software engineering, it is a branch of computer science, so which uses well defined engineering concepts required to produce efficient, durable, scalable, in budget and on time software products, right? So coming back to all the points, what is software engineering? It is one of the branch of computer science, okay, which uses some engineering concepts, right? So to produce efficient, durable, that is long lasting, scalable, okay, and in budget and on time software products, okay. So hope you understand what is software engineering. So once again I will revise it. So software is all about a set of products, a set of program code, right? And when you write a program code for a specific purpose, that is called as a software product, and what you people are going to develop, that is called as a new software, which is nothing but a software product. So when we want to develop a new software, what do? We apply some engineering concepts, such as we apply some methods, rules, procedures to develop a software. And when you apply those rules, procedures to develop a software, okay, so that is called as a software engineering, right? So the aim of software engineering is what? To develop the quality softwares for the large system, okay, and long lasting softwares, okay. So for extra reference you can go here and you can just browse the details for what is a software engineering, right? All right friends, so this is all about the overview, okay. We saw what is software, what is engineering, we saw what is software engineering, we saw how to build a software product, technical definitions, okay. So development of a software, which is called as software evolution, need of developing characteristics of a good software, and coming back to conclusion, why do we learn software engineering? So we learn software engineering, or we have to acquire software engineering to develop a new software that can scale, that can be used for large systems, okay, and our softwares could produce, okay, high quality softwares. All right friends, okay.